There's a $1 million opportunity right now hiding in plain sight, and almost nobody on the internet is talking about it. The music industry makes over $28 billion per year. Music videos get billions of views every single month. And up until now, if you wanted a music video, you needed a film crew, a director, lights, camera, studios, actors, models, the whole nine, and weeks of editing. There's a brand new AI tool that lets anybody, and I mean anybody, turn music into a full music video in one click. No camera, no crew, no editing, and no experience whatsoever. The people who figure out how to use this are going to build entire businesses around this. And the people who don't, well, 9-to-5 job is I guess it's a humble way to make money. Let me show you exactly how this works, and then I'm going to give you 3 powerful ways to start making money with this today. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to profit from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter sent out once a week designed for normal people like you to finally understand the chaotic AI world and how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join right now completely for free. The tool is called Freebeat AI, and it's the world's first music video agent. Here's the simple version. You give it a song and it gives you back a fully produced music video. You can paste a link from Suno, YouTube, Spotify, or whatever website you have music on, and it creates you an instant music video like that. Or you could just upload your own file if you have that. Their CEO, Bruce, built this around one simple idea. If music were a dream, what would it look like? This is what this tool does. It takes the sound and the music that you have in your head and it gives it its actual reality. All right, let me show you how this thing actually works. Okay, let me walk you through this step by step so you can see how easy this actually is. First, go to freebeat.ai and open the agent. This is the core of the whole platform. Everything runs right here. Step 1, paste your music. Click on Add Music at the top, upload music, and I'm going to paste a song that I created with Suno. It's called Everything. Perfect. So we have a track in Freebeat. We're going to expand this to the whole song, and we're going to click on Confirm. All right. Now, step number 2 is choosing your creation mode. You have 3 options. There's a singing mode here, a singing music video, and think of an artist or a character singing to a track. It even has lip sync built right in. Here's a pro tip straight from Freebeat team. If you want better lip sync results, include the actual lyrics directly in your prompt right here. It makes a huge difference. Option number 2 is storytelling. So this is for cinematic, narrative-driven visuals that evolve with the music. Think of short form or short film energy. And the third one is automatic mode. If you don't choose any of these here, singing, storytelling, abstract, automatic mode, it automatically creates your music video in the style that it chooses. So I'm just going to start with automatic here and show you how fast this is. We're going to go ahead and click Create. So what it's doing now is the agent is actually syncing the visuals to the beat. It's adding camera movements, structuring scenes, and editing everything together automatically. This is your one-stop AI agent that does everything. It turns your music into a full music video. Check this out. So as you can see here, it's actually creating our music video in real time, defining visual flow, visualizing music texture, refining loop dynamics. It's doing this all in front of our eyes. So it's taking us through step by step exactly how the music video is going to turn out. Now, you can go through this information. If all of this seems great, if you like the style of the music video, you can go ahead and click continue, but you can always edit this. Type the message in the box and talk to this like you're talking to a friend. There's no complicated prompts. There's nothing like that. This is meant for normal people to create fantastic music videos. But if we're satisfied, we're going to click continue. Okay, now here is where it gets really powerful. If you want more control, you can turn auto off right here. Make sure it's switched to off. And now you can customize everything. You can add your own character in the music video. So you can make a music video around you, around your friend, your girlfriend, your wife. Even if you're working with a business or a musician and you want to put them in the music video, you can come here. You can choose from the list of characters here, or you can add your own custom character. We're going to click continue. And then we have the style option. There's so many styles to choose from. Photorealistic, there's anime, there's modern animation, cyberpunk, city pop, rock haze. There's all of these styles that we can choose from to create our music video. For now, Let's go with 2D modern animation and click continue. Now we have lyrics that we can add on the screen. Let's click on captions and it'll give us multiple choices here. There's presets. We click on fonts and there's effects here. Let's go with bounce. Font we're going to go with, I like Courier New, and we're going to click add lyrics. Perfect. So we have our ratio 16:9. This is for YouTube. This is for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. All of these ratios, Freebeat has them. 720. Let's change it to 1080p. 2D modern animation, which is great. Captions is on. Remove watermark is on. Cool. Looks like we're almost good to go. But before we click create, Freebeat actually has 2 more agents built in. The first one is the music cover video. This generates animated looping album covers. It's the kind that you see on Spotify Canvas and Apple Music where the cover actually moves. It's motion visuals where musicians are paying designers hundreds and possibly thousands of dollars for these, and you can make them in minutes. The next agent on Freebeat is video to music. Now, this one works in reverse. You give it a video, it analyzes the visuals, the mood, the rhythm and tone, and creates original music that matches your footage. So if you need a custom soundtrack that fits your content perfectly, this option right here handles that. And on top of that, we have the Freebeat Toolbox, which has over 20 creator tools. Music to dance video, music to lyrics video, AI visualize, powered by pretty much every major AI model on the market right now. Check this out, guys. There's ASMR videos, video soundtrack, extending video, modify videos, text to video, image to video. All of these tools are available on Freebeat AI. Let's go ahead and click create and see what it gives us. So Freebeat actually remembered what I created last time, knowing that I like romantic themes, and it's asking me if I want to proceed with this memory or if I want to adjust this. Let's go ahead and apply and continue. Okay, now let's see what it created us.
She gives me everything. She shows me how to be myself and to love me. She taught me all the things she knows. I want a life with her, and I kinda like the way she says that she wants me. So I try to knock down all my walls and open up, but my heart gets cold, my darkened soul. And I've been told, just fall, let go.
Wow, that was absolutely, this is crazy. Like, this has never been possible in the history of music videos. Imagine if we actually really tried to create a good music video. This was basically all on autopilot, and the AI did exactly what it wanted to do. It kept switching up scenes, anime, hyper-realistic, 2D animation, so on and so forth. But this is so awesome. If you actually focus, and if you actually spent maybe an hour doing this, imagine the type of music video you can create. Okay, let's get into the part that most of you are here for, and that's making money. I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to start making money with Freebeat AI today. Here's idea number 1 to make money with Freebeat. There are millions and millions of independent artists on Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, TikTok right now. Millions. They all need music videos. They want music videos, and almost none of them can afford a traditional video shoot. They still think video shoots are thousands and thousands of dollars, which they are. But now with technology like Freebeat, you can create these for pennies on the dollar and sell them to independent artists. Imagine if you can work with 5 independent artists per month. There are millions of them on Facebook. Okay, let's pop over to Facebook and let me show you exactly how many artists are inside of these groups just on Facebook alone. Okay, check this out, guys. We typed in independent music artists. Look at how many members there are in these groups. 88,000, 205,000, 119,000, 112,000. Now, yes, the amount of members in the groups are important, but even more important than that, check out the engagement. There are 90 plus posts a day per group. 90 per day, 90, 90, 90, going all down the list. Hundreds of thousands and possibly millions of independent artists who want attention. They want music videos. They want to be a star. I mean, who doesn't? Most people are on Facebook and SoundCloud and YouTube and TikTok all day, yearning to be the next Taylor Swift, the Jonas Brothers. I don't know. I don't know what music people listen to nowadays. I do know that the dreams of people live in Facebook groups. They live in SoundCloud and TikTok and Spotify and you name it. Just all of these artists are absolutely starving. They want to be seen. They want to be heard. And a lot of them have fantastic songs and they're looking for music videos and they think they can't afford them. Here's where you come in. Okay. So when you come to Facebook, sign up to 10 of these groups. Now, don't just enter the groups and start spamming them with trying to sell your services. I want you to give as much value as possible. And here's the trick to Facebook. Whenever you sign up to groups, do not immediately start commenting. For the first 2 or 3 days, go through posts, start liking, start commenting on posts, and start engaging, start giving value. Then after 2 to 3 days, once the algorithm and once the moderators of the group know that you're not spamming, then you can start posting your service. Post a couple of videos and say, I created this music video. I can create you an exact a replica or the type of style that you want for your specific music. Send me a DM. I'm only working with a couple of people, so on and so forth. So knowing that there's millions of people in these groups, if you can only work with 5 people per week and per month and charge them $500 a piece, that's a full-time job. Once the word gets out that you've created videos for these people and you've created and given massive amounts of value, they're going to tell their friends are going to tell their families, so on and so forth. This is how the music business works. Look at this guy. This guy obviously is hungry. He wants music videos. All of these people posting here, they want to be seen, they want to be heard, and they need exposure. They need relevance in order to get their music out into the world, help them live their dreams, make money, and help these small independent artists. Let's go on to idea number 2. Check this out, guys. Remember how I showed you that Freebeat can create animated album covers? Look at what these people are charging on Fiverr. And chances are is that they do all of these by hand. They use Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop and Premiere Pro, and it takes them days to possibly weeks. Look at what they're charging. $575 for a basic package, $250, $285, $850. Let's click into this and see what their actual completion time. 21-day delivery. Nobody has time to wait 21 days. Everybody is in a rush. If you put 1 to 2 day delivery, even 3-hour delivery in your title on Fiverr or Upwork, and you charge $200 a piece, you're getting all the business. All of the business. 21-day delivery, $850 basic package. Standard, $900 premium. Come on, really? $1,000 for a 21-day delivery. With Freebeat, you can massively undercut the competition, charge $200, $300, $500 if you want, and tell them that you can deliver within 1 to 2 days. Make it an hour, make it 2 hours. Shock and awe is the theme here. Let's continue scrolling, guys. Look at this, 1,000, 600, 370. This guy has 20 reviews here, which means that he's worked with over 100 people because not everybody leaves reviews. 600, 260, 185, 260. You see where I'm going with this, guys? 750. He has 75 reviews, which means that people are making full-time living off of Fiverr, Upwork, and creating album art like this. Why can't you do the same? Why can't you be the one who just, God, I know you don't like your job. I hated my job. Hated my job for years. This can not only be a side hustle, this can be a full-time living, guys, just from Fiverr. This is not counting Facebook groups and SoundCloud and TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and all of the ways that you can contact these independent artists. This is not counting any of them. This is only with Fiverr and Upwork. Let's get into idea number 3. This is the biggest idea on the list, and this can make you the most amount of money. You package everything together. offer a full service: AI music videos, animated album covers, lyric videos, visualizers, dance videos, custom soundtracks, the whole catalog from Freebeat's toolbox. Remember, we covered the toolbox? They have all of these features here that you can use to make money. So let's create a sample starter pack. Starter is one music video. Check this out. Starter is one music video plus one animated cover. You can charge anywhere from $500. Pro package is 3 music videos, 3 covers, 1 lyric video for $1,500. You can charge monthly retainers, 4 videos, unlimited covers, custom soundtracks, $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Guys, these people want to be famous, and some of them will, with or without your help. But why not charge them? Why not help them rise to the top? Check this out. Look at these music videos. Look how fantastic these are. You can market yourself, indie labels, producers, and artists who are dropping music every month. One retainer client at $2,500 a month is $30,000 a year from one client. That's from one person. I can't believe more people aren't doing this. It's incredible, the opportunity to be had here. So if you're excited about this, if you're excited about starting an AI business, becoming an entrepreneur, possibly just working for yourself instead of waking up every day and every morning, and I know some of you wake up every morning and drive and sit in traffic and work for a boss that you don't like. And this is what my channel is made. This is who my channel is made for. It's made for normal people who are sick and tired of working their shitty jobs and not making enough money and not being able to travel and live free and just do what you want, guys. Like, I have so many of these ideas on my channel. I think Freebeat AI can literally give you an exit. But this is one powerful idea that can allow you to work for yourself and make a full-time living. And if you want to try this yourself, the link is in the description below. Grab a pro membership. Honestly, just play around with it. You'll absolutely love it. Make a video. Make a music video. See what happens. I think you're going to be shocked about how good the output is and how many clients you can get from this. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Be sure to sign up to Freebeat AI down in the link in the description. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, I have a passion for teaching normal people like you how to stay up to date and also how to make money with AI as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join my newsletter completely for free. Alrighty, guys, subscribe, all the good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.